Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nails for Sanam. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful handbag which is inspired by this Moschino fashion show. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Let's check out the measurements. So here I am taking 6¼ inch in height, and then the width is about 8.5 inches, and as it tapers towards the top it's 7.5 inches. So and the base of the handbag is like 4 inches. So this is how it looks like. So this is how I cut out the pattern. And for the flap, this is the measurement. So it's 7.5 inches wide, and it's like 6 inches as it goes, um, and then the length 7 inches. So make sure to follow this. You can pause and check out the measurement. Now to make the fabric with the color block, I have cut out 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches squares, and I took the gold fabric and a two different tone of denim fabric. Now to cut out the fabric, I'm using this rotary cutter because my fabric is kind of stretchy. So here the squares are ready. So now I have also marked like a ½ centimeter mark from each side so that I can stitch. Now I have arranged it in this pattern, and I'm going to temporarily stitch them, so that when I sew it on the machine, it will be easier for me to handle. Now stitch it as a ½ centimeter mark, and then you can easily take out the fringe. Now you want to make the denim fabric overlapping the gold fabric so that it always stays up, so that you can have the fringes at the end. So this is the color block pattern is ready. Now you can make the handbag according to your need. So whatever pattern I have cut it out, I'm going to follow the same measurements. So here I have lined this with the interface, and then I have lined the inner lining. So I'm just going to stitch this, and I have also prepared the sides of the handbag just like that. And but for the sides I have also added a zipper pocket, which I have not recorded, so I'm really sorry about it, but this is how it came out. Now this video is more like a reference, not a full tutorial, because I am still learning how to make handbags, but I wanted to share. This color block is totally I have created myself, and no one on the internet has shown me, but I have done it myself, and I have made similar handbag in the past, and I will share the pictures with you. So here I'm going to cut out the base and attach the inner lining to it. Sometimes it is really hard to work with the fabrics. It doesn't sound that easy as it looks, but with the practice you can make it perfect. So I'm going to attach the bottom part to the side of the bag. Now you can see it's a little bit longer, but I'm going to cut it out after I stitch it. And then I have prepared the sides with the loop. So I'm going to stitch that, and this is how it looks. I still have one more side to stitch, but this is how it looks. I'm really happy this is how it turning out. So I'm going to finish stitching this up, and then we will attach the flap. I'm just gonna stitch this and attach the flap to the side. So here the flap is attached. And now I'm going to add the magnetic clasp. On top I'm just going to add some charm. So I have attached the charm here. And now for the belts, I have just taken fabric, the gold fabric, and I'm just going to accent on the belt, like where the hook it is attached. So I have attached the hooks, and now I'm just going to cover that with this gold accent, then attached it to the loops, and here our handbag is ready. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys with another simple video. Till then, bye bye.